The first step is to remove the 4 bolts attaching the pump assembly to the flow tube using a ratchet and a wrench. Once removed, the assembly should fall free from the tube. Debris may be clogging the pump intake here in the middle of the assembly. Using your hands or pliers, remove any material stuck inside. Once the majority of debris is removed, compressed air can be used to remove remaining hard-to-reach material. If you have hard-stuck debris, like this fishing line, it might be necessary to remove the pump from the motor to fully clear the blockage. Using a ratchet, remove the 4 nuts attaching the motor to the pump assembly. Once removed, clear any remaining debris from the motor and the pump intake. If your fountain's performance was declining, take a moment to check the bearings. The motor shaft should spin, but not wobble. If your bearing is loose or wobbly, contact Scott Aerator for replacement information. The basket filter will also sometimes become clogged with muck and debris, restricting water flow to the pump. Clean the mesh filter using a wire brush to allow proper flow. With your motor and pump assembly clean and clear, you're ready to assemble your fountain. If you removed the pump assembly from the motor, reattach the pump assembly and mounting brackets. Tighten the bolts with the brackets angled counterclockwise. Then, using a small hammer, tap the brackets until they are perpendicular to the pump assembly.